Okay, so tonight's dinner menu: sweet and sour prawn soup, a Southern Vietnamese soup made with prawns, pineapple and crunchy lotus stems. Next we have braised pork and eggs. Pork belly slowly simmered in coconut water and served with hard-boiled eggs. Note: lotus roots appear often in Vietnamese cooking. The lotus is Vietnam's national flower. Okay, next, stir-fried beef with morning glory. Tender beef, wok-fried with water spinach and garlic. Last but not least, crispy, boneless knifefish with tamarind dip. A Vietnamese knifefish that's deboned, fried until crispy, and served with a sweet, tangy tamarind sauce. And finally, for dessert this evening, you'll be having fresh rockmelon.